this video, we're going to have a look at how to write a thesis statement. It is the most important part of your essay, but it can also be the weakest link, as every essay is only as strong as its thesis statement. So what is a thesis statement? A thesis statement is a sentence that summarizes your position on the topic of your paper. Think of your essay as a road trip. The thesis statement is the itinerary or the roadmap for your readers. It tells them where you're going to stop along the way, and how you're going to get there. In other words, it tells your readers what the paper is about. And it does that by telling your reader what you think about your paper's topic and how you're going to show your reader that you're right. So where then do you put your thesis statement? Your thesis statement should be the last sentence of your introduction. It can be up to 2 sentences long, but generally 1 sentence will be enough. Now that you know what a thesis statement is and where it should go, let's look at how to write one. The best way to write a thesis statement is to use the formula: a thesis statement equals a claim plus evidence. To clarify, the claim is your opinion on the topic of your paper. In other words, it tells the reader what you think. The evidence, on the other hand, is the reason you have for your position. In other words, it tells the reader why you think what you think. So let's say your essay's prompt asks, should the US government ban the sale of vehicles with internal combustion engines by 2030? Our claim will be our opinion or position on this question or topic. If you're not sure how to answer that question, start with, I think that. For example, I think that the US government should ban the sale of vehicles with internal combustion engines by 2030. And then delete the I think that part. Now, to write a good claim, it helps if you follow the claim checklist. A good claim must be an opinion and not a fact. For example, the sun rises every morning is not an opinion but a fact. How do you know the difference? An opinion states one side of an argument. That means that someone should be able to argue with you about it, while a fact is a statement with which everyone agrees. Now, the sun rises every morning is clearly not up for dispute because it is a fact on which we all agree. In contrast, our statement, the US government should ban the sale of vehicles with internal combustion engines by 2030, is an opinion since someone can quite easily disagree with it. So, to recap, a claim must be an opinion, and it must state one side of an argument. That also means that you should be able to support your claim with evidence. In other words, you should be able to defend or explain it. For example, we can expand our claim into a fully fledged thesis statement by adding the word because and following it with a reason for our opinion. It will reduce harmful emissions. However, you want to use the strongest thesis statement possible, and to do that, you'll need a 3-point thesis statement. In other words, 3 pieces of evidence or 3 reasons to support your claim. So, to strengthen our claim, we can add a second and a third reason. For example, the US government should ban the sales of vehicles with internal combustion engines by 2030 because it will reduce harmful emissions, slow climate change, and reduce the world's dependency on fossil fuels. So, to review, let's once more consider the thesis statement as a map or itinerary for a road trip. If an itinerary tells us where we're going, where we'll stop along the way, and how we'll get there, then we can think of the claim as our final destination and the stops along the way as our reasons. We hope you found this video useful. Stay tuned for more videos from Upswing Academy, and happy writing!